The Shark FlexBreeze costs far more than a basic pedestal fan, so the first question is simple. What are you actually paying for? The answer is versatility. It works indoors or outdoors, corded or cordless, as a pedestal fan or a tabletop fan, and the FA2222 version includes a misting attachment. The fan head can detach from the pedestal in seconds, turning into a portable tabletop unit. That is genuinely useful if you want one fan for a bedroom, patio, garage, and outdoor event. Instead of moving a full pedestal fan around, you carry only the part that creates airflow. Shark claims powerful airflow that can be felt from more than 70 feet in its strongest mode. The included mister connects to an outdoor water source and can make the air feel cooler in suitable conditions. But misting performance depends on temperature, humidity, distance, and wind. Cordless operation is one of the strongest reasons to buy it. You can use the fan where there is no convenient outlet. The important detail is that headline battery life comes from low settings. At maximum speed, runtime is much shorter, so power expectations need to match how you plan to use it. Buyers and reviewers often praise the quiet operation, strong airflow, and easy conversion between pedestal and tabletop modes. The weather-resistant design also makes outdoor use less stressful. It feels like a fan designed to move between situations instead of staying permanently in one corner. The price is the biggest complaint. It is also heavier and bulkier than a simple portable fan, and it does not include smart app controls. The mist attachment requires a water connection, so it is useful on a patio but less convenient at a park or beach without access to a hose. Buy it if you regularly use a fan both indoors and outdoors and value cordless operation. It is especially compelling for patios, garages, cookouts, and homes where one flexible fan can replace several cheaper ones. Skip it if you only need a fan beside your bed or desk. Final verdict: the Shark FlexBreeze is expensive, but its versatility is real. You are not paying only for airflow. You are paying for a durable fan that changes form, runs without an outlet, and can add mist outdoors. If those features solve real problems for you, it is worth considering.